Hello IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on with the P0179 code? This means there's an issue with the fuel composition sensor circuit high input, which can affect fuel mixture and engine efficiency. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0179 means, where to find the affected sensor, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around because this could save you from costly repairs. What does P0179 mean? The P0179 trouble code indicates that the fuel composition sensor, or FCS, is sending a voltage signal higher than expected to the ECU. This sensor is crucial in flex fuel vehicles as it detects ethanol levels and adjusts fuel injection accordingly. Symptoms of P0179: check engine light on, poor acceleration or hesitation, rough idle or stalling, decreased fuel efficiency, and hard starting in cold weather. Common causes of P0179. A faulty fuel composition sensor might be malfunctioning and sending incorrect data. Wiring or connector issues like corroded, loose, or damaged wires can disrupt sensor signals. Dirty or contaminated fuel such as water or debris in the fuel tank can cause incorrect ethanol readings. And rarely, ECU software issues might mean the engine control unit needs an update or reset. The fuel composition sensor, or FCS, is typically found along the fuel line, usually situated between the fuel tank and the fuel rail. In most vehicles, you can locate it near the fuel filter, or sometimes even inside the fuel tank assembly. It's connected to the ECU through a wiring harness, so it's essential to check for any damaged wires or loose connections. To diagnose and fix the P0179 code, start by inspecting the wiring and connectors. Look for any damaged, corroded, or loose connections around the sensor. If you find any faulty wiring, make sure to repair or replace it. Next, check the fuel composition sensor itself. Use an obd2 scanner to monitor the sensor data. If the readings are erratic or completely absent, it's time to replace the sensor. 3. Test fuel quality. Drain and inspect fuel for contamination or water. If needed, replace with fresh fuel and reset the ECU. 4. Update or reset the ECU. Some vehicles may need an ECU update to correct fuel sensor communication. 5. Clear the code and test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to clear the P0179 code. Drive for a few miles to ensure the check engine light doesn't return. That's how you fix P0179 and keep your fuel system running efficiently. Fixing this issue will restore fuel economy and prevent drivability problems. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, check out these related videos. 1. P0103, Mass Airflow, MAF, Sensor Circuit High Input. 2. P0104, MAF, Sensor Circuit Intermittent. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.